this will be my last video for a while. I have unknowingly trained her to be the mowing machine that she is. I'm not exactly sure what to do about it. She's very good at what she does. But even for a seasoned veteran of 11 years, I can't take the carnage anymore today. So, what's a person to do? I guess, along with all the goods in the world, we do need evils. And there is evil incarnate. Look at the non-caring expression on her face. I'm sorry. I just can't do this today anymore. I'll try to stop her. But how can you stop someone when you're one of them?